Hello, in this video I will show you how to delete from library on YouTube TV. Now it's a very easy process. So just simply open your YouTube TV. Now it might be on your desktop or your application. So all you have to do is just simply go to the library section, which you'll find right over here. And in the library you will have all your collections. Now to remove something from your library is very easy. All you have to do is just simply click on the three dots on whichever show or live event that you want to remove. For example, this movie right over here. Click on the three dots and then you will have an option of add it to library and go to overdrive. So what you have to do is you have to just simply click on add it to library. Now the moment you will do that, and after you will do that, you will find this option which will say removed from library. Now as you can see, once the page is reloaded, you will not be able to see that exact show. So again, if you want to remove something, all you have to do is click on the three dots and then just simply click on add it to library. And that will remove the show or the series from your library, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.